In the determination of Young's modulus, y is equal to 4mLg upon pi L d square by using Searle's method, a wire of length L is equal to 2 meter and diameter d is equal to 0.5 mm is used. For a load m is equal to 2.5 kg, an extension small l is equal to 0.25 mm in the length of the wire is observed. Quantities d and l are measured using a screw gauge and a micrometer, respectively. They have the same pitch of 0.5 mm. The number of divisions on their circular scale is 100. The contributions to the maximum probable error of y measurement is. In this question, we will have to use the concept of error analysis. It is given in the question that Young's modulus is given by y is equal to 4m capital L into g upon pi small l into d square, where m is the load, capital L is the length, small l is the extension in length, and small d is the diameter. Applying the concept of error analysis, we get delta y upon y is equal to delta L upon L plus twice of delta d upon d, where delta L is the error in the extension and delta d is the error in diameter. In this question, we have to find out the contributions of the error by delta L and delta d. They will be delta L upon L and twice of delta d upon d. Now it is given in the question that pitch is equal to 0.5 mm and number of circular divisions is equal to 100. We know that in a screw gauge and micrometer, the least count is given by pitch upon the number of circular divisions. Substituting the value of pitch and the number of circular divisions, we get least count is equal to 0.5 upon 100, which is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 mm, which is also equal to delta L or delta D. Now, substituting the value of delta L and delta T in the above equation, we get delta L upon L is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 upon 0.25, where 0.25 is the extension as given in the question. Solving this, we get delta L upon L is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Also, delta D upon D is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 upon 0.5, where 0.5 is equal to the diameter as given in the question. Solving this, we get delta D upon D is equal to 10 to the power minus 2. Clearly, delta L upon L is equal to twice of delta D upon D. As already stated, delta L upon L is the contribution in error by L and twice of delta D upon D is the contribution in error by D. So, the contribution in the error by both of them is same, which is given in option A, which states that due to the errors in the measurements of D and L are the same. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is option A.